Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. It's been a while here on my YouTube channel. It's been a while I dropped a video. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how to open a UK based account. Why I'm doing this video is that I already do video on this particular thing before, but why I'm doing another video on it is because the one I did before, I make it a little bit complicated, showing a graph. So this time around, I'm doing it straightforward. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, get a VPN. Make sure you have a VPN. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using this VPN. It's called Hotspot Shield. You can use a premium VPN, any premium VPN. If you have it, just connect it to United States. Let me disconnect and connect back. So I'm doing this from the starting point. So once you connect to your VPN, you head over to this website to check your connection, whether it's already in UK. So let's go search for this website, IP location. So once you enter the link, you check it. Make sure this privacy, if it's not in 100%, it is still okay. It's still okay like this. But for this video, I want to make this privacy index to be 100. I want it to be 100. You see this website. Why I like this website? Using this website now. Any error that makes the score index to not be in 100%, you will see it. They will tell you. If it's your time that is not matching, they will tell you. So the most thing that don't need to match is this DNS server not in the same country and this IP and browser time match. So but this one are correct. The IP and browser time, I'm using UK time, so it's still match. But this DNS not the same in the same country. All you have to do if you face this issue, you understand, all you have to do is just go back to the VPN. If you're using socks or any kind of this thing, just go back to it. Let's try and disconnect again and connect back. So let's check if the network if the ISP let's check if the thing is in 100% now. Let's go back, let's check. So I'll refresh. It's still in 85%. I'll still check it again. It's supposed to be in 100. So let's check it again. United Kingdom. It's supposed to be in 100. So well, it doesn't mean, but I want it to be in 100. So let's try it again. Okay, now you can see it now. So you can see what I'm saying. So once you encounter that kind of error, you just need to disconnect, so to match the same country. So once you are done like this now, the second thing now is just head over to your still this. You can use any browser. Hope you understand. Use browser that is okay. You can use Chrome browser, you can use Brave browser, you can use DuckDuckGo browser. So once you are on this search button, like just search TikTok sign up. So you can see it now, TikTok sign up. Once you see the TikTok sign up, just click it. It's very easy. So with this, can you create any countries, not only UK. Can create United US account, can create any country I want to create. So let's continue. So use set your date of birth. So once you set your date of birth, you can set it in any. So I'm using random number. Let me just use random number. Click on next. So we'll be using we'll be using temp email. So you can use any temp email. You already know what I meant by temp email. So I'll be using, for the purpose of this video, I'll be using this website. I'm just trying this website out. Let me see if their temp email is sharp. So let me try it. This is my temp email. Let me copy and paste it. Then click on next. So for the password, I'll still use it as the password. I'll use the same thing I copy. You can select, you can set your password yourself. I'm just using this as the password. Then sign up. So once you click on sign up, they will send a code. The code will be sent to this thing. Okay, I've seen this thing. Now you can just copy the code and head back to the TikTok you are creating, then paste it. You can't paste, just let me write it. 936 584 936 So once you put the code, your username, I can still use this as the username, the email. So I'm copying something. So I want to use the email. So I want to use the email to set the username. So I'm using the starting number, the starting letters. I'll just use it to create a random this thing. Okay, it's not okay. Let me choose from here. So click on sign up. Sharp. That is, you have successfully created a UK account. That is it. So to know if you're
맥주가 있어? Good evening to all you far-right Nazi bigots who could soon.
So I'll go back to my TikTok account. Now you go back to your TikTok app. So to know if you have already created this successfully, so just go to your TikTok account. So you can see this is the new one that I created. It's very easy. So if I see the account information, this one I already created it before. You can see it now. This one has United Kingdom. So let's check the one that we created now. Let's log in. Switch. So with this, you can just create multiple accounts and use it to do anything. Using if you are using this UK account, they have many benefits. That is why you have many benefits. So continue with email. So you use the email from the site. Okay, this is the email. Then click on continue. Now I want to log in. So they will send you a code again on that site. So this is the code. The code is where is the code? 774834. 774834. 774834. So let's see. So we are now logged into our new account. You can see. So you can see we have successfully created a UK based account. So let me see my balance. If it's reading, you can see the logo here. You can see GBP, that is UK, that is pounds. You can see GBP. You can see the coin is reading it. So to check it's already in UK. No worries. Who knows I check it? It's still there. So let me just confirm it. You can see the account base now. Account base, United Kingdom, very sharp. So with this now, you have successfully created a UK based account. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video with your loved ones. this account you can use it for many purposes. You can use it for your online to create content, for people that is having issue, that is facing difficulties to create UK based account. This easy method, very easy. Hope you understand. You can still add your everything, your bill, everything. You can add everything there. So see you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.